So here I am using the Lightroom camera app. I'm in the Pro setting. You can activate that on your phone by coming down by the shutter button and tapping on Automatic, Pro, or HDR. I want to show you today how you can control exposure compensation. So for instance, in this photograph of my beautiful bike, if I tap on the bike to get the exposure right, you can see how the sky goes really white. But if I tap on the sky, everything else goes really dark. So it's not a bad idea to take a couple of photographs at these exposures and just potentially be able to pull them together or see what works out best. Another option is, if I tap on the bike to get the right exposure, come down here to the lower left to EXP, which means exposure compensation. If I drag to the right, the exposure is compensated to be brighter. To the left, and the exposure is compensated to be darker. Okay, so now I'm keeping a good exposure on my bike and I'm darkening the sky. So we can refine that a little bit. Okay, and I'm going to snap my photo.